Amanda and welcome to my channel. I'm a realtor and founder of Ambler Lane Staging. I've been in the industry for over 10 years, helping my clients with their home renovations, design choices, and of course, staging their home. So we own a property in Cape Coral, Florida. It's a vacation property. We absolutely love it and enjoy it so much, and we rent it when we're not using it. It's done so well that we decided to buy a second property. So we took possession a couple months ago. So that's my new project. We have to completely renovate it, bathrooms, paint, kitchens, outdoor, indoor, the whole works, as well as obviously decorate, design it, and make it pretty fun because it is a vacation property. But unfortunately, I can't be there. I can't be in Florida right now. So just with everything that's going on. So I thought that what I would do is some items at home, take some things that I have already. I have a lot of the staging things that I can use, as well as actually some thrift finds that I never got to, revamp them in sort of that coastal style, which I absolutely love. I mean, who doesn't love white? All right, well, let's get started. This is the lamp that I want to make over. It's just a little bit dated, and the silver's not really going to go with the beachy decor that I'm thinking. It's just a little bit glam for a beach coastal look. So what we'll need is some twine, maybe a bit of rope, Mod Podge, paint, paintbrush, and a glue gun. I'm going to go ahead now and add, I've already put some Mod Podge in the bowl, so I'm going to add some paint. This is just some seafoam paint that I had from before. And the reason why I'm using Mod Podge is I don't have any semi-gloss paint at the moment. So I'm trying to go for, I'd like to have a little bit of a glossy finish. You can buy Mod Podge on Amazon. So to apply the paint to the lamp, I'm using a paintbrush. You know, if you're looking for a smoother look, which probably would be ideal, makeup sponge actually can work really well like this. I'm probably going to end up with a little bit of a brush stroke, but I am doing 2 coats. So hopefully with the second coverage, the brush strokes won't show as much. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the twine. I bought this twine at Dollarama. So you can either start at the bottom or the top. I'm going to start at the top, but it's just personal preference. And I'll start by adding a bit of glue with the glue gun to the back. And careful not to burn yourself, and just press and just hold this one. You want this to be very secure because it is the first piece. I can't tell you how many times I've burnt myself using hot glue. So I'm just pressing and holding it, and I'll start wrapping. Go ahead and add this rope. So I'm going to start by cutting off this. Although I kind of like that it's keeping the end together. Oh, I have no nails right now. I may have to cheat and, oh, there we go. Okay. Pull that off. Kind of twist that back in there. Okay, so I'm going to go again to the back, and same thing. I'm just gonna add, I'm actually gonna add a substantial amount because I have these sort of frayed edges that I want to control a bit. Try not to burn yourself like I just did. And then just hold that again for a moment. Okay. And then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna keep wrapping all the way around. Pleased by the way that my coastal lamp turned out. So I guess that's the end of my first video. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button below and take care and stay safe.